Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find friends on Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. Once it's launched, go to the Friends tab, which is on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. And once you're in this screen, click on the Contacts button right here. So once you're in this screen, click on Add Contacts. And go ahead and put your mobile number here. Once you've done so, click on Continue and you'll see a list of friends that are playing Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy